Hello, listeners. Hi, my name is Madhavi, and I'm so happy to have you on UppTalk. You have come to the right place if you want to learn about IT and do really cool things with your hands. We are not just another IT company when I say UppTalk. Think of us as your learning partner dedicated to helping you reach your full potential. We have top notch hands on courses to help you build your business, whether you are new to technology or want to move up in your current job. Let's look around this as our first step towards learning.
Today, we will discuss about skills and experience that maybe we can set up in the tenant. Like there are many skills that we have. If in case we want to maintain that in the tenant, how we can do it. For that we have a task as maintain skills. You can add the skills you can see here. There are other skills which they have just added randomly. Like any skill that we want to add. This can be used by individual employees whenever they want to update any skills for themselves, for them specifically. Like that. What will happen is, for example, I want to get less of the employee who has specific skills. We can just pull out a report and we can check that. From here, you can add the skills. If in case that is not an inbuilt report, we can create a report, custom report. From here, mainly you can add any skills. Like for an example, like we all know, it is called Ministro language. Length. You can select the category. You can create a skill category if you want. Like right now, we can see what are the skill category that we have, like at what level we want, like maybe basic or advanced, for an example. Advanced level, whether we want to hide from the standard. Usually we do not hide, we let it be in that. Like if there is any skill which is pretty much same with this one, we can use it. If in case, if you want to create any category, skills category, separate one, you can create it from here. Just its name that you have to give. And this is how mainly you can create different skills. Maintain skills profile category. Maintain skills and experience setup. This is related to the experience one. This is a one that is for us from this one perspective. if you see the above two and maintain skill category or maintain skill item category, there's two other reports. But if you talk about the other one, maintain skill item category, like we saw, maintain skill, maintain skill category. And this is how you can create this one. Like if you want to set up a level in the skills, you can do by using this task that is available. You can define, like you can see here, not applicable beginner. If there is any skill that you want to set up, you can do it from here. But this is not of use from the perspective like whatever we are configuring right now. For an example, actually, if you see, there are many things that is there in challenging, especially performance management. We don't have to create all the things. We have to go to the one that is mandatory and that is being used, because there will be many functionalities, but we don't use all the functionality. We use the basic setup that is needed, and we can make changes accordingly based on the client's preference. For an example, if you want to add any skills or experience to any worker profile, there is one task named as on figure. Oh, see if you talk about this one. There is a security for all these tasks. That is, if you have access, then only you will be able to see. Like the one that you see when you do the performance, like there are many groups that they have created. This is how, from the here, you can see, or if you want to create any additional one. That is how you can see each and everything from here. If you want to configure any profile with the existing one, like for an example, if there are many profiles that is there, if you want this to get display in the worker profile, this is how you can set things up. If you do not want to display this, you can just remove this. Like that, there are many profiles that is there. It depends. Like there will be many unwanted on which you do not want to be used. In that scenario, you can just let it remove. See, here we discussed about skills, like how we can create skills. If in case they have skills, like for an example, configure. Let me show you one. If there is any specific, see, this is mainly if you want to add any skills or any experience to work on profile. When this will come into picture in performance. If in case in the performance, we want to use any specific skills or any specific experience that any worker has, then this will come into picture. Or else this will not be of any. But thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us sales@therightuptalk.com.